I just filled up these 2 bowls with water. I can't show you, it's gonna spill out. And I am going to add some salt to one of the bowls. Now, I have a potato. I'm just gonna do a very fast little magic trick, and I'm gonna go. And it's in half. Wow, magic. Okay, so I'm going to put each half of the potato in the water. Now remember, this bowl has salt in it, and we're gonna see what happens in half an hour. Now you can see this one has the salt in it. The water looks more cloudy. This one is just plain water. Now I'm back here again with my 2 potatoes. So this is the potato that was just sitting in regular water. This is the potato that was sitting in salt water. You can see it looks smaller now. If I hold them up together, they don't fit together anymore because this one has shrunk. I don't know if you can tell, but this one here is more squishy and it's smaller. So what happened is the salt in this water is pulling the water out of this potato. So this potato must be feeling really thirsty and could really use some water. So, like this potato, when we drink or eat salty foods, it makes us feel thirsty. So you should only have those foods occasionally. Often, when you eat out at restaurants, the foods are cooked with a lot of salt. So you might feel thirsty afterwards. And this is why. If you feel thirsty, it means that you're already dehydrated. So you need to drink more water. If you don't drink enough water, it can make you feel tired, it can cause headaches, and it can also affect your mood. So we want to be like this potato and stay hydrated with lots of plain water. I hope you enjoyed these experiments and that you learned some things about salt and how it affects how you're feeling. And after all of this, I'm feeling kind of thirsty, so. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a real-life Mr. Potato Head using a potato. You can definitely use a bigger potato if you have a bigger one. Toothpicks and a bunch of cut up fruits and veggies. You can use any size potato, and you can go ahead and bake it first so that you can eat it after you make your creation. So you can get a parent to cut up an assortment of veggies and different shapes, and then you get to be creative and stick them onto your potato head to make a face. So I have toothpicks here that I'm going to use to help me stick them on. Let's see what I can make. Got the arms. Some lips. Arm keeps falling off. You may face setbacks, but don't let it stop you. Keep going, you can't give up. Just take some deep breaths. Keep going. I lost an eye. Okay, we got this. Honestly, I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna show you. Hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make Mr. Potato Head. Now that you've made him, if you pre-baked your potato, you can go ahead and eat him or her. And I will see you next time. Bye!